Lamsago naitonai takoktai bokoksona ani YouTube channel o sengtini nailinai kaisa interview ni date release engka interview date notification saklaijak ka amongka kaisa Tripura State Cooperative Bank Limited ni faisingtui TSCBL ge adi notification nailayo na or notification ro rojakka post wise date tei venue omahaike amoni date notification lamokha 3 tarik October 2020 o gero post name tongo venue tei interview date tei coit nong of candidate gero first tongo assistant manager ni bagui interview date rojakka 19 October 2024 থেকে 22 October 2024 jora 210 টা candidate tongnai assistant manager ni aboni venue interview jaga thai ingka Agartala Press Club Agartala Tripura jaga klainai ge 2 number tongo case kam general clerk ni bagui 23 tarik 10 মাস থেকে 28 tarik 10 মাস জরাতে ইন্টারভিউ না হারজাগনাই total 329 ta candidate tongnai gai multitasking staff ni bagui na harjagnai 29 tarik October থেকে 30 tarik October jora total candidate tongo 119 ta candidates gai abono nirok details nayo ni bagui ingke boroni website o thangui naimannai jara candidate shortlist tongnai rok interview ni salo tamo manangnai or jaga details rojak tongo first tongo print out of the valid interview call letter download khai matlangnai tei valid system generate print out of online application form khai pro je mamani receive abono matlangnai tei date of birth proof matlangnai gai photo identity proof matlangnai hinai sajak tei nirokni semester wise hai kheba nirokni mark sheet langma thangnai tei caste certificate ST SC abo hairok certificate matlangnai hinai sajakka je nirokni nangkukmani document rok tilangui mathangnai interview ni salo nirok bahai ke details nainai abono kisa phonok robana Friday ingke Chrome browser open khainai ingke Chrome browser open khai ingke nok type khaidi www.tscbank.nic.in o website o click khaidi click khai ka oba ke interface painai o jaga o cross sign o click khairodi cross sign o click khai ingke na interface painai o jaga tongnai news and update hinai oro kaisa tongo oro kono side o jaga tongo news and updates ke o jaga tongo tamo suijak angke naidi zoom out kai nusigona oro tongo notification for interview tei interview schedule for assistant manager ni bagui interview schedule for case kam general clerk ni bagui tei oro interview schedule for MTS multitasking staff ni bagui oro notification rojak tongo ke or jaga janjaja click khai naimannai jara assistant manager ni bagui shortlist lamokjak borong kheno oro click khai di jara interview case general clerk ni bagui jara shortlist lamokjak roni or jaga click khai di jara MTS ni bagui shortlist lamokjak borong kheno oro click khai di kheno nirok notification details naiwi mannai notification bahai ke rojak bono amke nailai di oro click khai khai nirok notification nugui manai amongka assistant manager ni bagai aro tongo nirokni post wise assistant manager te role nong te registration nong te name aro tongo category shortlist category category te birth date of birth gender PWD ex serviceman de abo hairok right hero tongo date of interview hero khana reporting time abo haike nirokni PDF haikebar notification no nogoi mannai ke o jaga o niro janjaja date wise nai thangmannai aro tongo bomong soho role nong soho tongo tei interview date rojak tongo jar jar bofranobo interview khlainai abono niro kaham khe naiwi nirokni document rok twlangui interview ni salo thangui roinai nirok sai mankana nirok PDF download khainani bagui hingkhe borokni official website o thangui download khaiwi nai mannai keba ani o video ni description o thangui nirok download khaiwi nai mannai omo hingkhe case kam general clerk ni bagui list hingkhe aro tongo name wise aro hingkhe interview date aro reporting times abo haikhe rojak tongo nirok nugui mankana jara noyakhorok nirok notification download khaiwi nai mannai tinini bagui asuk wngsunai video no chajak hangkhe like khaidi share khaidi tei problem wngui tongkha hingkhe comments khaidi tei kwtal naiwi tongkhe subscribe khairodi teibo kwtal job notification manani bagui tinini bagui asuk wngkha jotono hambai।